Exporting WhatsApp chats is a built-in feature that allows you to save your conversations as text files with the option to include media like photos and videos. This creates a backup of your chats for archiving, sharing, or legal purposes. You can export chats from both iPhone and Android devices. Send the data via email or save it to cloud drives like Google Drive or iCloud Drive. As of December 2025, this remains a core, user-friendly functionality. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and select the chat you want to export. Next, tap the contact or group name at the top of the chat. Scroll down in the menu and tap Export Chat. Choose whether to export without media or with media included. Select your export method, such as email or save to files. This will create a .txt file for messages and a zip folder for media. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap and hold the chat you want to export. Tap the More option, usually shown as 3 vertical dots in the top right. Select Export Chat from the menu that appears. Choose whether to export without media or with media based on your needs. Select your export destination, such as email, Google Drive, or local storage. Google Drive integration makes cloud saving easy. Text chats are exported as readable TXT files, including timestamps, sender names, and message content. Media, such as photos, videos, and documents, are bundled in a separate zip file, preserving their original quality. Deleted messages, voice notes unless manually saved, and live locations are not included in the export. Remember that encryption is lost upon export, so handle sensitive data carefully. When exporting WhatsApp chats, you can choose between email or cloud services. Email is straightforward, but most clients limit attachments to around 25 megabytes, making it unsuitable for large chats with media. For bigger exports, cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud Drive are recommended. They require linking your account, but handle large files seamlessly. These services make uploading easy, especially for chats with lots of photos or videos. As of 2025, cloud-centric exports have become very popular for their convenience. Before exporting, ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Also, check that you have enough storage space available. Exports are limited to individual chats. You cannot export multiple groups or chats at once. For very large chats with over 10,000 messages, you may need to split the export manually. WhatsApp recommends using this feature sparingly to avoid overloading servers. You are limited to 5 exports per day per account. Important: exported files are not encrypted like your in-app chats. Store them securely, perhaps in password-protected archives or secure cloud storage. Recent updates in 2025 emphasize privacy in WhatsApp chat exports. Exports no longer include end-to-end encryption metadata by default. The app now warns users about potential data risks when exporting chats with media. Be aware of these privacy considerations and always store exported files securely, especially if they contain sensitive information. If your WhatsApp chat export fails, start by checking a few key areas to resolve the issue quickly. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as exports require online access. Poor connectivity can cause failures during the process. Next, verify you have enough storage space on your device, at least twice the size of the chat you're exporting. Make sure you're using the latest WhatsApp version, as older versions may have bugs that affect exports. For large exports that time out, try exporting without media first to reduce file size and processing time. If problems continue, contact WhatsApp support directly through the app for assistance. Remember, exports have a 3% failure rate, often caused by temporary app bugs. Simply try again later if needed.